What is going on, everybody? So it's kind of late here at the shop, but the end of my day, so I'm kind of tired. Um, Before I went, I wanted to show you um, some new stuff that came in that I got ordered in for it. So it's going to be a short video, but I just want to share what came in. So I went ahead and bought the Holley digital dash along with the Holley Terminator X Max, and I just want to share what came in. So what I bought here first in this little box is their GPS module to calculate your speed. If I can get it open. Opening it the wrong way, that's why. That might help. So this is sold separately. You can buy this on its own, I guess, but I really felt like I was going to need that anyway, so I didn't want to not know how fast I was going, so I went ahead and got this. That was like 70-80 bucks for that. And here's the digital dash screen. It looks really cool because you can customize the screening. Gives you multiple warning lights, activation lights like your methanol, your NO2. I guess you can kind of customize so many things if you're running, I guess, trans brakes, line lock, a lot of stuff. So this right here has been long overdue for what I've been needing on my car. But I've bounced around with this thing for so long, it's hard for me to keep staying at it at one go around because I've got so many multiple projects always happening around me. Anyways, let me show you what it looks like here. So your manual, just paperwork stuff that you get with it, and there it is. I'll put this aside. So there it is, the screen. The only thing is it doesn't come with any mounting brackets or any of that stuff. So here's behind it. They want you to mount it in these areas right here, and then there's some two in the side here as well. So I'm guessing I'm going to have to buy my own hardware and brackets and come up with all that stuff to do with it. So it comes with that there, and your little pin thing there, just like your tablets. And it's got this little downloadable deal here, I guess, to save your data logs or transfer certain data over to your screen and to your computer for the Holley. It's got a lot of stuff, a lot of options that you can do with it. So I mean, this thing's gonna blow away what the factory will ever be able to provide for you. Adapter harnesses, I guess, to power it up. So I'm not too sure if the Terminator ECU kit's gonna come in with just like a plug and play thing. So I'm not gonna hook up anything tonight or try to. I may just try to start tinkering with mounting the screen, but I'm not gonna actually do any of the wiring aspects of it today because I need to wait for my kit to come in. That way I can review it. So it's new to me. It's my first kit that I've seen, so it's going to be very interesting to see how this thing's going to help me in the future with where this direction of this car is going. So oh, also what came in the other day. So before I change subject real quick, so my plan is there's my stock gauges, and see if I can't put that in somehow there and play with it here and see if I can't get it to fit, which I will get it to fit, and then just make a nice covering around here in these areas. And also what it does leave me is room to add any additional lights if I need to, but with this screen it probably is going to give me all the information I need all in one deal. So that's gonna be sweet. So let me put this aside and I'll show you what else came in. Well, also they're in pieces, but my mini tub for my other chassis that I'm fixing to do, and once I get ready, is came in as well. But that's gonna have to definitely stay on hold for a good while. I thought I was ready, but right now at the shop I've got a lot of cars that I've got to put together, and they're just kind of piling up on me. So I'm feeling kind of overwhelmed, and right now it's kind of busy season for me because I got to get some cars sold and build up together. But which is good for you guys because you'll probably be seeing more YouTube content on that kind of stuff. So Green Things, just one of them. The others I'll show you once I get there. But also ordered the rear bumper parachute mount and parachute kit. I haven't actually unraveled everything else because I've just been so busy, man. It actually came in yesterday, and I tried to unpackage it, but then I was like, I just got way too busy. So we'll do it together. We'll see how much far down I can get to it if I can do it with one hand. A lot of packaging. I bought this rear parachute from MGW, is it? Midwest. It's Midwest chassis. So I got their pull cable. I'm not too sure what is in here. I guess various hardware for it. The brackets. And here's the rear chute mount. That goes in here, just like that, or the other way. I'm not too sure, but you get the idea. And that goes in there. And just like I said, hardware. I don't even know. Well, yeah, there's hardware in there. So feels like an empty box. That one actually might be like the pull chute thing, but here's, I guess, the actual chute in that one. But I'm not too sure. But I'll probably show you another time. But that's pretty much it that came in. I mean, once I get going with all the other stuff coming in, I'm right now ordered in the fittings, AN lines, multiple ones. I also ordered the shoot, what is it called? The blow-off valves, the bypass valves. So I'll be running 2 teal bypass valves with the 2-inch PSI spring. I'm probably going to locate them right here before the intercooler rather than how I had it. So I'm just changing things for the better. And I'm not going to run this piping. I am going to put my 4-inch pipe. And this is just temporary because I do have an F1X blower that's going to be on this engine at some point in time, but not right now. Right now, my main focus is just let's get all this squared away. I want to get my new intake that I did together, all my new engine setup together. So my PCM's no longer going to be here. I'm going to put it in the glove box somewhere in there. I need to figure out as well my fuel pump wiring harness here, and I'm going to relocate it and the fuses inside the glove box where I can get access to priming each pump and testing each pump before I make any kind of pulls into boost with the car, because what happened to me last time, which is things failed. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to end this video here, and I hope you guys stay tuned for what's next to come, and I'll share once I get the Terminator X Max computer, and with more progress once I start welding up pipes and more of that other stuff. So anyways, appreciate you guys for stopping, and like and subscribe if you haven't already, because new projects are about to be uploaded here in this channel, and I promise you, you're gonna love them. So I'll see you guys. God bless. Bye.